The question is, what can Iqbal do for us even after so many years, and why his thought is still relevant? Of course, Iqbal cannot solve perhaps our daily mundane problems. Iqbal cannot bring down the oil prices. Iqbal cannot bring down the value of dollar and such things. शायद वो भी कर दे अगर हम उसकी पहली किताब इल्मुल इक्तिसाद को पढ़ें तो कुछ उसमें रहनुमाई ऐसी मिल सकती है कि ये मसाइल भी किसी हद तक एड्रेस हो सकते हैं। दिलचस्प बात ये है अबाउट इकबाल दैट ही हैज़ एवरीथिंग, he has something or the other for everyone. If you want to be a revolutionary, then he would, tell you, उठो मेरी दुनिया के गरीबों को जगा दो, काखे उम्रा के दरो दीवार हिला दो. He would tell you that. And he would also tell you Iblis's message in a very strange way when he is talking to जिब्राइल, मैं खटकता हूँ दिले जज़्दा में कांटे की तरह, तू फ़कत अल्लाहु अल्लाहु अल्लाहु. So whatever you want to do, if you want to be a Marxist, if you want to be a revolutionary, if you want to be a mystic, if you want to be an ideologically oriented citizen of Pakistan, Iqbal has something or the other for you. Okay, what kind of praxis can emerge out of theory? That is our challenge. When our younger generation, they listen to this sentence that Iqbal is the great poet philosopher, there is a no feeling in them, because the word philosopher and the word philosophy itself, it creates such feelings among the younger people, because they are the 32nd generation. They feed themselves on images of WhatsApp and so on. But for our collective good and for our public space, we need to change ourselves. We need to learn to respect the public space for others. This is what the West has taught us. So many good things it has also taught us, and these things are already there actually. जो आदाब ज़िंदगी इस्लाम ने दी हैं, रास्ते पे चलने के आदाब हैं, छोटी छोटी बातें मैं कहता हूँ जो हम भूल चुके हैं, उनको अपनाने की ज़रूरत है. हमें कॉमन मॉरल्स और मैनर्स की कमी का सामना है. अपनी यूनिवर्सिटियों की हालत जब मैं देखता हूँ, अपने तलबा की हालत देखता हूँ, देयर आई टेल देम प्लीज़ अडॉप्ट द स्मॉल थिंग्स ऑफ लाइफ, द गुड थिंग्स ऑफ लाइफ, which may create peace and harmony in our society when we start respecting each other's space. Thank you very much.